So you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. What keeps you connected with the education sector, and how has your experience been so far with the institute?
So to start off, I would like to tell you that I have devoted 31 years to the hospitality industry, out of which I have worked 13 years in the hotel industry, and thereafter I joined the education sector, and I have devoted now 18 years to the education sector, out of which obviously all the 18 years are with Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, Navi Mumbai. To talk about my college, Rishik, Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies was established in the year 1992 and has been disseminating hospitality education from the last 29 years. And we have a very strong alumni of 2,500 students. And obviously, our college stands in the top 5 hotel management colleges of Mumbai. The motto of our college is social transformation through dynamic education. Presently, I am working as the head of department, food production and patisserie, with a strong team of chefs to guide our students to achieve their culinary goals. In addition, I teach environmental and sustainable tourism. Further to my role, I am the chairperson for food production and patisserie with the University of Mumbai, which enables me to be a part of designing and updating the curriculum of the University of Mumbai. As far as my industry experience, as I told you earlier, it is 13 years, and this has helped me to have connection in the industry, and these connections I use for formulating and aligning the curriculum as per the latest trends and development in the hospitality industry. So this role as being the chairperson and as well as spending time with the industry has kept me connected with the peers in the hospitality industry as well as the education sector. So that is my question to your answer, dear Rishik. You can go ahead.
Thank you. Being the HOD of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, what are your roles and responsibilities towards the students?
Okay. To that question, Rishik, I would like to tell you that I believe in giving hands-on training to my students and train them to work in a very conducive team environment. Secondly, I conduct field visits for my students. So I take them across to various kitchens, may it be standalone, may it be 5-star, so that they can get an idea of how the kitchens are set up. And obviously, during these field visits, they also get to meet the stalwart chefs of the industry. I also arrange a lot of workshops, and as I already told you earlier, that we have a strong alumni because, as I told you, 1992 we started off, and we have this college has been functioning for the last 29 years. So we have a very strong alumni, and the chefs from the alumni chefs come to the college for conducting workshops for our students, as well as I have many friends in the industry who come into the college to have workshops with our students. I would like to also add that we plan, organize and direct a wide range of training activities for our students to make them industry ready. And finally, we have developed a lot of programs to focus on the variety of topics, including product knowledge, customer service, leadership skills, and entrepreneurship skills. So that is my answer to your question, dear Rishik. You can go forward.
So how does the curriculum of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies ensure that students are being prepared for the future?
So basically, Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies, Navi Mumbai, primarily focuses on imparting knowledge and skill sets as per the curriculum given by the University of Mumbai. On a regular basis, we conduct mock interviews. We, as I earlier told you, that a lot of field visits are conducted. We, give them a lot of industrial exposure. Monthly assessment and assignments are conducted. YY is conducted and judged as per the knowledge and competency levels of the students. The college also ensures that students participate in inter-college competitions, attend workshops and seminars, and also, we conduct a lot of research activities where the students get a chance to present their papers in national as well as international conferences. The curriculum is updated every 6 months by the University of Mumbai to keep abreast with the latest trends. And as I told you earlier, I'm a chairperson of my subject at the University of Mumbai. So every 6 months, the curriculum is changed as per the trends in the hospitality industry. You can go ahead with the next question, dear Rishik.
Yes, sir. What are the interventions and approaches you bring in apart from the curriculum to teach the students?
So as I mentioned earlier, dear Rishik, the design curriculum of the University of Mumbai is designed in such a way that it meets the current trends of the culinary industry. In addition to that, I encourage students to participate in workshops, field visits. We create a new recipe. So I involve them into creating new recipe development. We have a lot of guest lectures from the alumni. We have a lot of guest lectures from different chefs of the industry, right from the five-star hotels to the resorts. I invited to the college to have workshop as well as guest lectures. We also promote a lot of, we motivate students to participate in inter-college events, theme lunches, and also along with them, we visit a lot of hospitality exhibitions which happen in and around Mumbai.
Right.
Your next question, dear Rishik.
Yes, sir. So what do you see as the greatest strength of Bharatiya Vidya Peeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies?
The biggest strength I would like to tell you, Rishik, is we have the best teaching faculty. Now, why do I say the best teaching faculty? As you see, I have 13 years of experience in the industry, and then I joined the education sector. So the first criteria to join Bharatiya Vidya Peeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies in Navi Mumbai is that every faculty should have at least 10 years experience in the industry, and then he or she is allowed for an interview, and then they are put onto they are selected at our college. The second, I would like to always mention that we have a state-of-the-art infrastructure, as the latest equipments are there at the institute. Third, I've already mentioned that, and I've been mentioning it repeatedly, that we have a very strong alumni base of approximately 2,500 students in India, as well as working in India, as well as abroad in all the parts of the world. And finally, training and placement. We give 100% placement assistance to our students. So may it be in India, may it be abroad, we give them 100% training assistance. These are my strengths. These are the strengths of my college, dear Rishik. You can go ahead with the next question.
So what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for Bharatiya Vidya Peeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies specifically?
The biggest challenges what I see happened in this 2 years, wherein we had to go online for lectures, and to keeping the students engaged during this 2 years of the pandemic has been the biggest challenges. But very soon we have started. Very recently, we have started by the offline lectures, and students have started coming to the college. But what I have learned through this process, or what our students have learned through the process, now we can have a dual type of course going on. So we can have online as well as offline. And I think I have mastered using different techniques to keep the engaged to students, or we all of us at Bharatiya Vidya Peeth have learned a lot of techniques to keep students engaged on online, and obviously looking forward for the offline sessions. The second challenge which I see is in the area of research. Obviously, my students are doing a lot of research, but I think we should put more emphasis on students publishing more research papers, doing more research in the hospitality sector. That is what I feel is the biggest challenge as of now.
Right. So last question from my side is, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
My first suggestion to them will be, to the youth of today will be, they have to be curious. They have to have questions. They have to, they have to have a yearn to learn. That is the first. Whenever they join the industry, whenever they join the classes, they should keep on asking questions. Every question makes a difference. So the first suggestion I would like to give this young generation is, they have to have a urge. They have to have a yearn to learn. The second is, obviously, let me tell you, they have a lot of opportunities. Once they finish the 3-year degree program of hospitality, they have a lot of opportunities in the hospitality industry. It is not just limited to the hotel sector. Today, after graduating, they can do postgraduate studies in India as well as abroad. And as this is a professional course, they can join the hotel industry, they can join quick service restaurants, they can join the tourism industry, they can join the aviation industry, they can join the cruise industry, they have the retail industry, they can join human resources, they can join event management, and the list goes on. So they are not stuck to one, they are stuck to the complete. They get a chance to apply for jobs in the complete service industry. And above all, if you see, they also can become self-employed. That is, they have a chance of becoming an entrepreneur by doing this particular course, BSc in Hospitality Studies. That is what is my answer to your question, dear Rishi.
Right, sir. So let's conclude this interview, and thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Thank you, Rishik, and I would like to congratulate you for tolerating us from the last 2 days. I have been after you, but it's very kind of you, and looking at you, and I feel so energetic. And thank you for giving that energy through the camera. I could see you, and obviously you have given me a lot of energy, and your youth has given me a lot of energy. So thank you very much for participating in this interview, and thank you very much for calling me to this platform, dear.
Thank you so much.